We wanted to upgrade our Deebot Osmo Pro T8, and after a lot of research we came across the Deebot T30 Pro Omni and we went for it. The T30S Pro has quite a lot of features like deep mopping, comes with an Omni station, an auto lift mopping and true mapping 2.0. Now inside the box we found both the Deebot and the emptying station. It came together. Unlike in our previous purchase, both of them were sent as two different packets. On the top of the box itself you'll find the instruction for installation, how to use the tanks. There is some documentation that you will find inside, and that is all that is there. On the top itself you will find the base for the emptying station. This was very different from our earlier Deebot, and then inside you will find some very basic documentation of how to use the Deebot and how to install the emptying station and everything. Then inside the box you will find the Deebot. It comes in a very nice packing, very secure packing. So the delivery was very secure. So everything was protected, very nicely done. Inside the pack you will find the Deebot itself in a different box, and then you will also find the emptying station. So first of all, when I take out the Deebot, you'll find that it comes pre-installed with the dust capture box and the mopping pad and everything. So there is nothing much that you need to do. Everything is pretty much installed. It's the same kind of wheels that you see. There is one side brush, unlike the earlier model that we had. It had two side brushes, but this comes with only one side brush. The emptying station is a beautiful one, and you will find there are two tanks. One is the dirty water tank and the other one is a clean water tank. So, and it comes with a dust bag. So what the emptying station does is periodically the bot goes back to the station, empties the dust there. Then inside the box you will find a power cord, and that is pretty much all that is there in the box. Installing the emptying station is pretty easy. You just need to push the base in and it slides in. The side brush is also pretty easy to install. You just need to press it in and it is installed, and your Deebot is pretty much ready to start operation. You might want to remove some of the rubbers that are there, so the instructions are there on the box itself. And this comes with a very small dust box, unlike my earlier T8 Pro, primarily because this keeps emptying the dust. It doesn't keep the dust inside the box for a long time. So this size of the box is pretty much enough for daily cleaning. You can see that the back side of the bot has the terminals which gets connected to the emptying station. Now this comes with a very unique brush. This brush is something that attracted us because this is an anti-tangle hair tangle brush, because in our earlier Deebot, one of the problems that we faced was with hair getting tangled. This comes with an auto cutter technology. There is this hair gets cut and it gets absorbed into the dust dust box. So this brush is something that we really like, and functionally it was very nice. We found that you will need to let it run for some time, but once it starts running, you won't find any hair tangled there. The power cord is pretty easy to install. All that you need to do is just push the plug towards the back side and your Deebot is ready to start operation. So overall we found the T30S Pro Omni pretty useful. The mopping was very much effective. It is much cleaner than our earlier T8. The auto emptying was pretty noiseless. It was very efficient. Dust capturing was very nice. Overall, this is something that I would recommend if you're looking for a good home cleaning robot. If you're looking for this model, you might not be able to find it in stock because there is a newer version that has been introduced, which is the N50 Pro Omni, which has much upgraded features and comes at pretty much the same cost. The link is there in the description below.